What about this?
Nah, sleep, you know.
Him not sleep, him not gone in bed yet. Man look evil afraid. Watch your man. You go cover him?
Yeah.
Eh?
Look, I'm sure. So basically I go come, so you know.
And drag him over.
Yeah.
You sure?
Watch me. He might watch me.
Him a watch you?
Yeah.
See me a dog? See me when you say that? See me when you say Skrilla? Bomba! Dog, see me? See me? See me?
Pull you can't catch that.
Skvnk Lifestyle, what's going on? Welcome to another episode. Skrilla, I have Skrilla here as a host.
Lifestyle. Oh, go on.
Isn't it? So we're doing a project today. I'm doing a 3-day makeover. You know the Panda Morph settings how it go already. So we're gonna transform 2016 328i from its current state to the Panda Morph state, isn't it? So here we're going now. I'm gonna just give you a quick synopsis of what we're gonna be changing on the car. We're gonna flip into B-rolls of it so you can see what we're going to do. So alright, let's start off first with the front. Originally this car came with the stock bumpers, so it is not an M Sport package. So what we had to do was upgrade it to M Sport bumper. So we did the front M Sport bumper and the back M Sport bumper. We're gonna be doing side skirts, well, side splitters, and we added the M Sport side skirts as well. We're going to be adding the M style side view mirrors. Right, we're gonna be doing trunk clip on the rear diffuser, and then you know we're going to be adding the great shibam, which is the wrap. We'll be also putting on this car some 20s, right? 20s wrapped in some I think in 35 series tire. So you know what I'm gonna do, add a little vibes to it. So Skrilla, what do you have to say?
It's the first time that we're doing a project somewhat like this. It's going to be somewhat like a series, so we just have to stay tuned. Nika keep everything top secret, not even me, you know. So I don't know what color the car is going to go into.
Yeah.
But it's a part of the vibe. I'm sure you guys are here waiting.
And we're changing it up with this type of
Style.
right.
This car going to look good.
Carry are nice, and it will also be for sale. So if you guys are interested, you can DM at Fresh Panda, or you can link my page or Skrilla, any one of us. If you're interested in seeing it in person and purchasing it, and you pretty much just buy the car and drive. Oh, we'll be lowering the car as well on some lowering springs. So you don't know, we have to keep it within budget because we have to keep it at a level where it is affordable and people can do the thing. So anyways, we're getting into the project right now. Skrilla.
Oh yeah, before we cut, the AC cool like ice.
Alright, we'll close it on now. Bang it now. Lifestyle. Alright, so we're doing a test fitment on the lip before we actually clean it up and spray it up. So yeah, looking good so far. Yeah man, fitment on it nice. So yeah, that's good respect. So the wrap, it's partially wrapped now. Well, the side is wrapped, and actually added the diffuser here. So as you can see, because on the model car we got the diffuser that doesn't have the for the double muffler. Like cut out. So yeah, man. Wrappings are going. What is this? Oh, it looks so far, G.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. I was looking at the low end springs that we're going to be putting on. So this should give it like a 2-inch drop. Be sure I'm going to actually put these on so that when we put on the wheels, give it the right fitment. You see me? Remember, we're doing this is a budget build, right? Alright, so pretty much it's not like it's cheap products, but we'd normally use coilovers, but because we're doing a resale on this car, we are doing it on a level that's affordable for the person that's buying it. Yep. Oh my lord! Alright, Lifestyle, so we just got the wheels a while ago, but we're going with a full black theme. I couldn't get these from the factory in gloss black, so we're gonna actually do these over in black. Yeah, man. So let's go.
Yeah.
We have all our vibes. So yo, give me a.
Alright, peeps. So you know where the BMW phone look good, aggressive. They say I show them a piece.
Them can see it black and white like this. So yeah, peeps, we add on the front lip, front grille. We did some work to the V-bar in there, but Bijan said if it wasn't our car, it would be charging us extra. Yeah. What do you say about that?
Yeah, man. Perfect of right.
Yeah, man thing. So it lowered down. So can't wait to throw on the wheels and see what it's gonna look like. Alright, Lifestyle, so let's give you an update. You guys remember us having the wheels from factory with the silver or the polish center, and as you can see, I didn't like that look because I'm going for a full black wheel, gloss black wheel look. So we got these sprayed and we're gonna mount the tires tomorrow, and then yeah, we're gonna put the car together. So pretty much the only thing left right now to finish on the vehicle is the glass roof, which we're waiting to get the material, and then we're gonna add on the wheels, lower the car. Car is actually lowered, suspension is added already, and then we roll it out and do a cinematic. So you can look out for that after we mount the tires and the wheels, well, the rims. Alright, Lifestyle, so you know the regular thing already. We're here at BD Greg getting them fitted. So yeah, as soon as they're done, we're going to be putting them, mounting them on the car, and then we're going to get into the whole vibe of it. Big up blocks, you know, blocks, big up yourself, you know. Outside. Yeah, Lifestyle, so whew, finally got the tires mounted onto the rims, and we're about to drop them onto the 328i now. So you're ready to go? Alright, let's go into it. Alright, Skvnk Lifestyle. So I hope you enjoyed that episode today. Just some old footage I had before that pretty much put together for today, because you don't know, I didn't want the week to pass and I didn't give you guys some content. It's kind of hard sometimes and it's been a rough week, you see me? So anyways, I'm closing out the vlog right now. I hope you like that transformation. That was something that we did quickly, and you know, just a new vibe and new content that we're bringing to the scene. If you like it, leave some comments below. Tell me which kind of car you guys think I should do next. I'm probably going to do a Honda next, more than likely. Yeah, so you don't know, peeps. I always ask you guys to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. You don't know, and respect, we're almost at 30,000 subscribers, and that's a big achievement right there. So big up to everybody that has been supporting from the channel I started, and you don't know, we'll see some more footage this week. Zine out.